This is California Kirkbride, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And this is Joe for Oildraulic Impulse. Go up to 3 and turn it off. Back down to 1. There's a bunch of trash in there, and there's a water but no foul. Certificate installed 1994. It's a basic cab. It smells like an air freshener because there's one right there. It says Marshall twice. That's like a separate sticker that just says Marshall. This is that. But then why does it say Marshall? Yeah, it's like the sticker says Marshall here and the sticker says Marshall there. You can tell there's the old Dover Marshall thing under there. The current sticker, I think, is from the thyssenkrupp era. There's like no light on at all down here, which is weird. How goes nothing weird.